Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and relaxing for English learners. Emma and her friend Lucas just arrived in a busy new city. They want to get coffee, explore the streets, and enjoy the evening together. But Emma quickly discovers a small problem with her money before their plans can begin. Here's today's listening question. Where are Emma and Lucas going tonight? Listen carefully. The answer appears many times in the story, so don't worry. And after the video, try writing your answer in the comments. It's a simple and helpful way to practice English and remember new words more easily. Now let's begin.
Wow, this place is busy already.
Yeah, it gets crowded around this time.
I really need a coffee right now.
Same here. Let's order something quick.
Oh no, I think I have a problem.
What happened?
I only have large bills.
How large?
Just $100 bills.
That might be difficult here.
Yeah, I don't think they can break that.
A lot of small places don't carry much cash,
That makes sense.
especially near the station.
I should have exchanged money earlier.
It's fine. There's probably a bank nearby.
Hopefully.
Do you want me to ask first?
Sure, thanks.
Excuse me, can you break a $100 bill?
What did they say?
They don't have enough change right now.
Yeah, I figured.
They said most people pay by card here.
Unfortunately, I only have cash today.
We should stop at a bank before the night market.
Good idea.
You'll probably need smaller bills later anyway.
For food stalls?
Food stalls, taxis, little shops, all that stuff.
Do they usually take cards at the market?
Some do, but not all of them.
Then I definitely need smaller cash.
Yeah, it'll make things easier.
I'm really excited for the night market, though.
Same. The food there is great.
What should we try first?
Maybe grilled seafood or noodles.
That already sounds amazing.
Let's get your cash situation fixed first.
Agreed.
I think there's a bank a few blocks from here.
Perfect. Let's go there now.
Good plan. The market gets really busy later.
Then let's not waste time.
The bank should be around the corner.
This area feels really lively.
Yeah, it gets even busier at night.
I can already smell the food from here.
That's from the night market street.
It smells so good.
Wait until you see the dessert stalls.
Oh, I'm definitely going there later.
You'll need cash for most of those places.
Good thing we're going to the bank now.
Exactly.
Do you usually carry cash when you travel?
Yeah, especially smaller bills.
Why smaller bills?
They're easier for taxis and food stands.
That makes sense.
Some small shops don't like large bills.
Kind of like the coffee shop earlier.
Exactly like that.
So what do you usually say at the bank?
Usually something simple.
Like what?
Can I get smaller bills?
That sounds easy enough.
Or do you have anything smaller?
Okay. Do you have anything smaller?
Perfect. That sounds natural.
I always feel weird carrying huge bills.
Yeah, they're annoying sometimes.
Especially when you're hungry and just want coffee.
Exactly.
Do banks here usually exchange dollars?
Most of them do.
That should make things easier.
Definitely.
Wow, look at that street over there.
Oh yeah, that's the old market district.
It looks beautiful with all the lights.
It's really nice at night.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too.
Oh, is that the bank?
Yep, that's the one.
Nice. The line doesn't look too long either.
Perfect timing. Let's go inside.
Hi there, how can I help you today?
Hi, do you exchange US dollars here?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'd like to exchange some cash.
Sure. How much would you like to exchange?
About $300.
Okay. Do you have your passport with you?
Yes, I do. Perfect. Here you go. Thank you. One moment, please.
No problem. Are you visiting the city?
Yeah, just for a few days.
Nice. Did you arrive today?
We did. We came by train this afternoon.
Oh, the station gets really busy on weekends.
Yeah, it was crowded.
Are you staying downtown?
Yes, near the night market area.
That's a good area. Lots of food there. That's what everyone keeps saying. You should definitely try the street noodles.
I will.
All right, your exchange rate today is right here. Okay, that looks fine.
Perfect.
Could I get smaller bills if possible? Smaller bills? Yeah, for taxis and food stalls later. Ah, got it. A lot of places seem to prefer cash here. That's true, especially at the markets. Yeah, we already had trouble at a coffee shop earlier. That happens pretty often. I figured. Let me see what smaller bills we have available. Thank you, I'd really appreciate that. No problem at all. The city already feels really lively. It gets even busier after sunset. I'm looking forward to seeing the market tonight. You'll have a good time there. Sounds exciting. All right, let me count this for you. All right, here's your cash.
Thank you.
I counted everything already. Let me check really quickly. Of course, take your time.
These are mostly large gills.
Yes, mostly hundreds and fifties.
Oh, I see.
Is there a problem?
I was hoping for smaller bills if possible.
Smaller ones?
Yeah, I'm going to the night market later.
Ah, okay.
I'll probably need cash for taxis and food stalls.
That makes sense.
I think large bills might be difficult there.
Sometimes, yes. Do you have anything smaller?
Let me check for you.
Thanks, I'd really appreciate it.
It's been very busy today.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of tourists came in this afternoon.
That explains the long line outside.
Exactly.
Is the night market always this busy too? On weekends, definitely. Wow.
Especially after dinner time.
Good thing we came here early then.
Yeah, probably.
I can already hear music from outside.
The market area is very lively at night.
I'm excited to see it. All right, I found some smaller bills.
Oh, great. We're a little low on smaller bills today, though. No worries, anything helps.
I can give you smaller 20s and 10s.
That will be perfect.
All right, let me reorganize this.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all.
This will make things much easier tonight.
I'm glad I could help.
That worked out pretty well.
Yeah, I'm glad we stopped at the bank.
You've got plenty of smaller bills now.
Finally.
The streets are getting crowded already.
Wow, there are so many people here now.
This area changes really fast after sunset.
I love all the lights.
It feels completely different at night.
And the food smells amazing.
I told you.
Is that grilled chicken over there?
Yeah, I think so.
That smells really good.
We should try something small first.
Good idea.
Oh, look at that line.
It's moving pretty fast, though.
True.
I'm surprised so many places only take cash.
It's pretty common at night markets.
I definitely would have struggled with those large bills earlier.
Yeah, this is much easier.
Oh, I want one of those skewers.
Go for it.
Do you think they take cards?
Probably not.
Good thing I have cash now.
Exactly.
Hi, can I get one chicken skewer?
That actually looks really good.
Here you go.
Nice. Your smaller bills already helped.
Seriously, that was so much easier.
See, small bills make a big difference.
You were right.
Careful, it's probably hot.
Wow, that's really good.
Let me try a bite.
Here.
Oh yeah, that's excellent.
We're definitely coming back later.
Absolutely.
This night market already feels worth the trip.
And we've barely seen anything yet.
This drink is really refreshing.
Yeah, I needed a short break too.
We've been walking around for hours already.
The market is bigger than I remembered.
There's so much food everywhere.
And we still haven't seen the whole place.
Honestly, I'm really glad we stopped at the bank earlier.
Same. That ended up being a smart idea.
The smaller bills helped a lot tonight.
Definitely.
Almost every food stand wanted cash.
Yeah, that's pretty normal here.
At first, I didn't realize it would matter that much.
A lot of travelers forget about that.
The coffee shop problem should have warned me earlier.
True, they really didn't have change.
I'm just happy everything worked out.
The bank clerk was really helpful too.
Yeah, especially when I asked for smaller bills.
Luckily, they still had some left.
Even though they were running low.
Busy weekend problems.
This city feels so alive at night.
That's my favorite thing about it.
The lights, the music, the food.
It has a really good atmosphere.
I'm definitely coming back here someday.
You should.
Next time, I'll carry smaller cash from the start.
Lesson learned.
Seriously, it made everything easier tonight.
Taxis, snacks, drinks, all simple now.
Exactly.
So, what was your favorite thing so far?
Honestly, probably the street food.
Good answer.
Especially that chicken skewer earlier.
That was excellent.
We should get another one later.
I was thinking the same thing.
I'm really glad we came tonight.
Me too.
This turned into a really fun evening.
And the night's not over yet.
Perfect. Let's keep exploring.
And that was today's story from English Listening Stories. Emma and Lucas spent the evening exploring the city, trying street food, and enjoying the atmosphere together. They also solved a small travel problem along the way. Stories like this can help you understand real, everyday English in a calm and natural way. Today, you heard many useful phrases about money, travel, food, and everyday conversations. The more you listen, the more natural English will start to feel. Now, let's go back to today's listening question. Where are Emma and Lucas going tonight? If you know the answer, try writing it in the comments below. Even a short answer is wonderful practice. Writing helps you remember vocabulary, improve your confidence, and use English more naturally over time. And if you enjoyed this relaxing story, please like and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and beginner-friendly listening practice. If you'd like to support the channel and help us create more cozy stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you so much for listening today. Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you again in the next story.